Hey everyone, this is Skeptical Alone, your feeder for astronomy videos. Today, we're diving into one of the most talked about and rumored events in modern astronomy, the 3I Atlas, an interstellar comet. There's a lot of buzz around it. Some say it could be dangerous for Earth, others claim it's just another cosmic visitor. So, what's the real story behind 3I Atlas? Let's find out. 3I Atlas was discovered on 1 July 2025 by the NASA-funded Atlas Survey Telescope at Rio Hurtado, Chile. On discovery, Atlas, the Asteroid Terrestrial Impact Last Alert System, detected a new interstellar comet and initially named it A11-3Z. Atlas is a robotic astronomical survey funded by NASA and operated by the University of Hawaii's Institute for Astronomy. Later, astronomers renamed the comet 3I Atlas, also known as C-2025N1. The 3I stands for the third interstellar object ever discovered. The first was 1I, Oumuamua in 2017, and the second, 2I, Borisov, in 2019. Now, about this new visitor. 3I Atlas follows an unbound, hyperbolic trajectory past the Sun. During solar conjunction on October 21, 2025, it could even be observed by the GEOES-19 weather satellite. 3I Atlas cannot be traced back to its original parent star because the comet has been traveling around the Milky Way for billions of years, which is enough time for it to be mixed around with other stars. It is an active comet, consisting of a solid icy nucleus surrounded by a coma, a glowing cloud of gas and icy dust escaping from its surface. Its exact size is uncertain, estimated between 0.3 and 5.6 kilometers, because the bright coma makes it appear larger than it really is. Recent near-infrared spectroscopy by the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, in August 2025 revealed that the coma is unusually rich in carbon dioxide gas, carbon dioxide, with traces of water ice, water vapor, carbon monoxide, CO, and carbonyl sulfide, OCS. Interestingly, JWST also detected heavy carbon dioxide containing the isotope carbon-13, though the abundance is still uncertain due to partial obscuration by dust. The Spherex Space Observatory confirmed the presence of high amounts of CO in its coma, though it couldn't detect water vapor or carbon dioxide directly. So, the big question, is 3I Atlas a threat to our planet? The simple answer: no, not at all. As the comet approached the Sun, it was pulled in by the Sun's gravity, speeding up, and as it moves away, it slows down again. But its path ensures that it will eventually escape our solar system completely. 3I Atlas will pass near Venus, Mars, and Jupiter, but not Earth. Its closest approach to Earth will be around 1.8 astronomical units, or roughly 269 million kilometers, 167 million miles, on December 19, 2025. That's an enormous distance, far too great to pose any danger. After 3I Atlas passed perihelion, it became visible in the sky again just before sunrise in November 2025. The comet may grow dimmer and its solar elongation will increase as it moves away from the Sun. During December 2025, the comet will move through the constellations Virgo and Leo, and its brightness is expected to become dimmer than apparent magnitude 12. In fact, 3I Atlas is a faint comet, not expected to shine brighter than magnitude 11.5 as seen from Earth. Even at its peak, it won't be visible to the naked eye or even with small binoculars. Light curve plot showing the measured brightness of 3I Atlas from May to August 2025, expressed in apparent magnitude. The brightness of 3I Atlas increases over time because it was approaching the Sun during this time interval. The gray shaded region represents the time when 3I Atlas was observed by the Transiting Exoplanet Survey Satellite, TESS. Unlike previous interstellar objects, this comet comes from the southern celestial hemisphere, traveling from a direction opposite the Sun's motion through the galaxy. Also, there are some rumors around the Woolard that this comet contains billions of dollar nickel and other elements, but officially no one get the correct information about it and not confirmed by the any space organization. Ultraviolet spectroscopy by telescopes on Earth have additionally detected cyanide, Cn, gas and atomic nickel, Ni, vapor in the coma of 3I, Atlas. The emission of atomic nickel is not unusual. It has been seen in various comets, including the interstellar comet 2I, Borisov. However, no iron, Fe, vapor was detected in 3I, Atlas, which is unusual because nickel and iron are typically found in roughly equal amounts when outgassing from comets. Nickel emission in 3I, ATLAS was first detected by the Very Large Telescope, VLT, on 20 July 2025. And cyanide emission was first detected by the VLT later on 14 August 2025. Exploration between 1 and 7 October 2025. 2 ESA's Mars Orbiters, Trace Gas Orbiter, TGO, and Mars Express, observed 3I, ATLAS during its closest approach to the planet. TGO was able to capture the comet with its camera, but it couldn't be seen on photos by Mars Express, likely because of much lower exposure time. So, despite all the rumors, 3I, Atlas is just a fascinating visitor, a reminder of the vast, dynamic universe we live in, not a threat to our world. Follow-up observations from other observatories, involving both professional and amateur astronomers, began to reveal that the object's trajectory would not come near Earth, but instead could be interstellar with a hyperbolic trajectory. Billions of asteroids passes from our solar system every year, out of which many are even not reported. Hence it's a speck of it and nothing to worry about. Thank you for watching this and stay tuned for further updated.